Hi guys, let me show you how to create a virtual machine in Azure. We can create machine with different ways, CLI, PowerShell or configuration management. So we will doing this practice with CLI and PowerShell. Okay guys, so we will here be doing some practice. Practically, we will see how Azure environment allow us to create virtual machine. So I am on cloud portal and where I have to start puzzle. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, there is three and there are also three. Let me also check five, one, two, one, three. So this one is because this one also have fourth one, so I will submit this. Okay guys, so sandbox is activated because you have to have sandbox for doing this practical example. So we have 59 minutes left only, and here we will be looking into the steps actually. In this exercise, you create as your virtual machine and install Nginx, a popular web server. You could use the Azure portal. Okay, so these are the option: Azure CLI, Azure PowerShell, Azure Resource Manager. So these are the options. Here you can switch PowerShell. You can restart your VM. Sorry, your environment. You can manage file, like you can upload or download file here. You can also create new session, and you also have some feature which is not available in this session. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to create this command. It is actually a resource group, as we have covered in previous session, session number 5. We have to have group uh, before creating resources. Within this group, we can have more than one VM and other resources as well, like database, any other tools provided by Azure. But remember that all those features should be available within your subscription. As right now we are using free tier, if we will use any other beyond the free tier, definitely we will be charged. So here is group, and here is name of VM, whatever name you can change it, and public IP, it is standard, okay, provided by your cloud environment. And image actually is Ubuntu. Okay, so you are going to use Ubuntu operating system to have your virtual machine. And here is admin user, Azure user as well, and generate SSH keys. So it will generate SSH keys so that you can later log in with those SSH keys. If I run this example, so let's see. Okay, good. So SSH keys files are creating here. You can use this if you want to connect this with your virtual machine remotely. So these are also being generated. So it will take some time to create VM, and let's see. Your VM takes a few moments to come up. You named the VM YVM, so use this name. Refer later steps. Okay. Okay, guys, it is created. Here you have public IP also available, and status of your VM is running. Great. It's a MAC address of my laptop. Location provided is West US, and here is VM group as well, and ID. This one is resource group, you can see. Okay, so zoom is empty. Okay, so let's check for that either we have group and VM or not. Okay, if I VM list MSO table, so I want to actually see the in a list. Okay, great. Here is my VM right now created, and here is the group. Okay, so you have created your VM. You can do anything within this VM. You can install software. You can also configure other options as it is given to execute some custom scripts, because we are not going to extend this exercise because we have short time. So it's actually rest of steps are just to go through and do some more practice. So here we can see our group, we can see our VM created, and here you can see that it's a maxi service username as well. So okay, so uh, uh, in next practice we will be sorry, next part we will be discussing what is Azure Virtual Desktop. Okay, so thanks for staying with us and helping us to be motivated and do some more work for you to provide more knowledge on this. So we will be providing more information, more videos. Please don't forget to add comments. You can add some comments and provide your feedback so that we can improve our these tutorials sessions which are in different parts in better way. Okay, thank you. Bye.